Afternoon, folks. Just a quick one. Let me position this there. I think we should be able to see both things. Right. Some of you are not understanding the science, right? This is about the sun taking 4.6 seconds to radiate its own light, the distance to its own diameter, for a total travel time from the sun to planet Earth of 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Absolutely ridiculous, okay? I'm saying it's absolute, boom, which it is. Now, those of you, few of you have said this, I have brought the sun down to a diameter of 8 millimeters, right? There are 108 suns in between planet Earth and the sun. We divide the distance, the 150 million kilometers from here to the sun, we divide that distance by the sun's diameter. We get 107, we're calling it 108. There are 108 sun diameters in between Earth and the sun. When I reduce the sun's diameter all the way down to 8 millimeters, the distance, that 150 million kilometers, that distance becomes 86.4 centimeters. We get that distance because we multiply the 8 millimeter, the new sun, the new size, but we multiply that number by 108 because there are 108 sun diameters in between Earth and the sun. If I used a sun with a diameter of 1 centimeter, there are 108 centimeters between Earth and the sun. It doesn't matter what size diameter sun we use, as long as we multiply that diameter by 108, that's the distance between Earth and the sun. I then go on to say, we're going to watch it play out with an 8 millimeter bulb. We're going to watch the light travel 86.4 centimeters to planet Earth. That will take 8 minutes and 20 seconds, right? We would expect everything has shrunk down, everything has stayed in the same ratio, proportionally the same. So, why would the sun from the bulb suddenly go ping? No, the light radiating from that sun is going to travel at the same rate as it does up there. That's the whole point of doing it, to have a look to see what's happening. So when I turn that bulb on, the 8 millimeter bulb, and that light has to travel 86.4 centimeters to the planet Earth, we would expect it to take 8 minutes and 20 seconds because that 8 millimeter diameter bulb is now going to radiate its light at a rate of one of its diameters of 8 millimeters every 4.6 seconds. That's crazy, that's ridiculous. That is what they are telling you the sun is doing. They are telling you that that star, you can see to my rear left, it is taking that star 4.6 seconds to radiate its light, just one of its diameters. Now, if you cannot see how ridiculous this is, that's why I'm here, so that you do understand how ridiculous it is. Right, I'm gonna finish up now. I've got some work to do. I've got the boards. I'm gonna rip those other 2 boards down and I'm gonna put 4 boards up again. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm gonna hope to do that for this afternoon, paint them, and hopefully this evening we will have a evening session on new boards. Sun, 4.6 seconds per diameter. Oh shit, it's ridiculous. All right, folks, laters.